guess you on.
We're making a video, bud.
Right, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, we're gonna make a video. All right. So today, we got a Mazda here, and down here we got, right there we got a crack in our rad support.
Yes.
So we're gonna strip all this down. We are going to change this rad support. We got a new rad support here from the junkyard. So we got a new rad support, and we also got a windshield washer jug. So we're gonna put those in the vehicle, and we're gonna show you how to do it. So if you guys haven't already, now would be a good time to subscribe, like this video. We'll see you guys also in the next one. Keep up to date with all the future stuff, future builds, everything like that. So stay tuned. We'll get this ripped apart, put back together. So this vehicle was in an accident is why that crack is there. So once we got everything all undone and out of the way, if you look here, there is, this here looks kind of crooked. And if you look right back there, we have a bulge, and it's like was straight and then it kind of twists over a little. Now there is supposed to be a little bit of a crinkleness there to begin with, but it looks like it twisted. I don't think that's supposed to be that way, but right here we got a crinkle, and I'm assuming this here was supposed to be this way. It's supposed to all be in direct line, because if you go on this side, everything's direct line. See? Back to the other side. It's crooked off to one side.
That right there is what happens when you don't hit the brakes, ladies and gentlemen.
And then you end up something like that.
Yep.
So we were changing out this piece. We were hoping, I guess we were hoping we didn't have to take the bumper off. All in all, we did more work than we had to. Lesson learned. So we're gonna relay the lesson to you. Take the bumper off. So you take the bumper off, take this off, then it's just a couple extra bolts, and then this whole piece falls right off. Now, we went and we drained out the rad and everything, and we were just trying to take this out with the actual steel bumper in place. but the steel bumper can actually be removed, and then everything just comes off pretty quick and easy. Makes things a lot more simple, but all in all, I guess we didn't have to drain the coolant and disconnect a couple rad hoses to get everything off. Sometimes it's better to take more things off than less. And in our case, it would have been better if we just pulled the bumper off, because then we would have had just that to remove and not needing to try and drain the coolant and everything else, and then come to find out, you know, you got to do this anyways. So, getting her back together there now.